Hi there! Today we are going to learn how to manage your shipping preferences in TwoShip. If you want to set defaults within the TwoShip system, you can go to the Shipping Preferences page. You'll find it through the Configuration panel here. Or you can open Settings and then head to the Shipping Preferences page. On this page, you can add defaults like your default send from location, default currencies, and a preferred carrier if you need one. You can also use the TwoShip plugin right from this screen. This lets you connect your printer to the TwoShip system, which makes your shipping workflow a lot easier. With the browser plugin, you can set up your label configuration. Choose the label type, PDF, PNG, or CPL. You can also pick the label size like thermal or laser, or even set up a packing slip. There are a few extra options you can toggle on if they apply to you. If you use freight carriers, there's a heavy freight and BOL section. Here you can customize your BOLs and choose how many get printed. You're also able to change some defaults within the physical ship screen, like increasing the rate timeout, turning off the rate trigger, and setting defaults for sorting rates by cheapest or fastest. One of the best features on this page is the e-alerts toggle. This lets you set your default preferences for which events will have notifications sent out and to whom. This is where you can set those defaults. Thanks for watching.